I'm Dr. Pia Winberg. I'm the founder of FICO Health. We farm seaweed and we make seaweed products here in our factory on the south coast of New South Wales in Jervis Bay in Huskisson. And a few months ago we got contacted by Power Ideas because we were looking for solar, but we weren't really sure about how to go in the market and in getting it. So Power Ideas presented a fantastic solution for us. And we can now power all of our ovens and heating machines with our new 39.9 kilowatt solar system. It has 114 panels. They're Q-cell panels at 350 watt, and that gives us a 39.9 kilowatt system, which really delivers us the energy we need during the day and even on cloudier days to cover most of what we need. And we have a 29.9 kilowatt inverter by Goodwe. We have to pump thousands of litres of seaweed extract and water through these heated tanks. When we get our seaweed from the farm, we have to dry it really quickly, and this is the dryer that we use. It's got a giant turbine and augers and power that is pretty heavy when we're drying about 80% of the water out of the seaweed. This is the big ovens that we bake our seaweed muesli in. You can imagine how much electricity is required because the cables are 80 amp giant copper cables. And it became really simple when we met Power Ideas. They came and presented a solution to us. So it's been really painless, and we're really happy with having a sustainable solution for our sustainable business, and eventually one day batteries as well.